So let me tell you guys a story. Last year, me and my friends, we went to Ipoh and we did water rafting. The setup is that me and my friends are in one raft and a guide in front and a guide behind on the raft itself. And there's another closed cockpit kayak with a cameraman, and he carries his own camera. And what we saw him do is that he turned around into the water and out the other side 360 degrees with the camera all staying in his lap. So ever since then, I have wanted to learn how to do that. So today, we will take the first steps, and that is the 1-star skills award for kayaking on a closed cockpit. Okay, what is up everybody? Now I'm walking towards the the Singapore Canoe Federation, which is where it will take place. So basic rundown is that it will be a 2 days course. So today is the first day. I don't know what is the itinerary for the 2 days, so we will find out later. But I'm pretty excited. It's the first thing that I'm gonna be doing alone, I guess. So let's see how it goes. So we're here already. We just registered over there. So we're just waiting for everybody to come. And it's a pretty good morning. Let's hope the weather stays the same.
Okay, so how do a sweep stroke look on the spot? Is first extend my blade at the front of the boat. Okay, I'm gonna put the blade in and I'm gonna extend my hand and turn. Okay, see? Look at my lower hand. Is it extended? Is it straight or is it bent? Straight, right? Look at my upper hand. Is it above my eye level or below?
Below.
Below. Okay? Turn my body to the side. Okay, I extend my hand. Pull it in and cut it out. Pull it in and cut it out. Pull it in and cut it out. Okay, slowly, slowly, the stroke. Kayaking should be very relaxing one.
Cut out, right?
Yeah.
Come down, then go up.
Okay, okay.
Do ready, come down, go up.
Oh, okay, okay.
Good.
Oh, sheesh. That is some cool though. Okay, so we just learned how to do sweep strokes. We have learned how to do a J draw. It's pretty hard to master, but it's doable. As you can see, I'm still going side to side, so not the best. But it's been pretty fun. J-draw all the way to that pontoon over there. It's damn far, bro. Okay lah, maybe we're halfway, but it's pretty far. And this J-draw, it is tiring. Alrighty, all the way to the bridge, guys. Okay. Okay, so for this next part, I'll be doing a voiceover because, well, number one, you can't see anything in the video, as well as I'm just lazy to put subtitles. Danger and depth and defensive position. So what I did there was to check for any nearby danger, suitable depths for submerging, and assumed my defensive stance before flipping the boat over. I then tapped the boat 3 times before releasing myself from the seat. I will now go to the front of the boat, raise my paddle in the air, and shout for help. Once the 2 rescuers have arrived, I will give my paddle to them first before handing over the front end of my boat. I will then move to the front of the rescuers' boats while they remove the water in my boat by seesawing it across their own boats, as you can barely see here. Once they are satisfied with the water removed, they shall proceed with the following.
Legs up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, then. They are now flipping the boat over on the front of their boat like this. They will then line up the boat beside them, facing the opposite direction. From here, I can then attempt to reboard my boat.
Okay, ready? On my mark, let's go up.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
You okay not? I'm okay.
Okay, so after some final checks from the rescuers, I am finally able to continue kayaking. Yay! And rescue done. Good job. So that was me learning some basic kayaking maneuvers that are required in the 1-star skills award. I know this video is different, it's a bit different, so let me just explain. So halfway through editing, I got this mic and I realized that since you can't see much in the video at all, I might as well just explain what's going on in a voiceover, which I tried and which I have also never tried before this, so I wanted to try that out. Just tell me in the comments below whether you like it, whether you don't, you know, what can I change, what can I do better. You know, if you do like it, just give me a like, give me a subscribe. If you don't, then well, tell me what I can improve on, and like and subscribe as well. And recently I went to Thailand, so we'll see when that video comes out, but for now, that's it. Thank you for watching.